This week, I am offering some brief meditations or reflections on the baptismal promises that we renew every year during the Easter season. And so today I want to reflect on the second promise that we make. Do you renounce the lure of evil so that sin may have no mastery over you? So the question I think that needs to be asked here is, what is alluring about evil? What is it about evil that makes it alluring? I can remember times when I was a much younger man that uh, I used to tolerate racial slurs, even though I didn't agree with them or believe in them. And why did I do that? I did it because I wanted the acceptance of my peers more than I wanted to stand up for what was right. And so the allure of acceptance is what allowed me to tolerate evil. When I'm on the internet, there's times when I want to unload on somebody with whom I disagree, somebody who dares to have a different point of view than I do. So, especially on the internet, it's alluring to just take shots at other people whom we will probably never see. So, the allure there is the allure of being able to vent my anger. There are times when I see someone in need and I think to myself, well, that's not my problem. And when I do that, I fall prey to the allure of apathy, of thinking that the needs of others are their problem and not mine, and forgetting that I truly am my brother's and my sister's keeper. And so each one of us can think in our own ways about how alluring evil can be, how easy it is to take the low road when it comes to the allure of evil.